Hi guys, so today we're checking out something that's been getting a lot of attention in the custom printing space. This is the A4 L8058 DTF printer bundle, a full setup that comes with the XP600 DTF printer machine, a powder shaker, and a dryer. Basically, if you're into DIY t-shirt printing, custom merch, or even thinking about starting a small business, this might be one of the most complete bundles you can get right now. Now, what makes this printer interesting is that it's not just a basic printer. It's a DTF printer, which means direct to film. Instead of just printing on paper, you're printing on a special transfer film, adding powder, curing it, and then transferring it onto fabric like a t-shirt, hoodie, or pretty much any textile. It's a process that's been getting really popular because it's more versatile than traditional heat transfer vinyl and can handle more complex designs, full colors, and gradients without peeling or cracking. The bundle itself comes pretty loaded. You've got the XP600 printhead at the core, which is a proven commercial-grade head that's capable of pushing out sharp and detailed prints. On top of that, the printer has automatic white ink mixing and auto-cleaning functions. Now, if you've ever worked with white ink before, you know it's notorious for clogging and settling, so having these automated systems is a huge plus. It basically means less maintenance time and fewer ruined prints. Then there's the powder shaker and dryer. This is where the workflow gets smoother. Instead of manually applying adhesive powder to your film and trying to cure it with a heat gun or oven, this machine automates the process. You feed in your prints, it shakes the powder evenly across the design, and then runs it through a dryer to cure the adhesive. By the time it comes out, it's ready to be transferred onto fabric with a heat press. That alone can save you a lot of time and give you more consistent results. Performance-wise, the L8058 is designed for both beginners and small businesses. If you're new to DTF printing, it's relatively easy to set up and operate, and the automation features help prevent mistakes. But if you're someone already running a small printing shop, it can handle batch runs of custom shirts without too much downtime. The print quality is sharp, colors pop, and because it's DTF, you can print on both dark and light fabrics without needing pre-treatment. The curing system is also automatic, which means you don't have to babysit each print. That makes the whole process closer to print and go, compared to older setups that required a lot of manual intervention. And if you've ever had to manage high-volume production, you know automation is everything. One thing I also appreciate about this setup is that it's modular. The printer, powder shaker, and dryer work together as a system, but each part is doing its job without overcomplicating things. So if you're scaling up production, it's easier to keep things efficient. As for reliability, having that XP600 printhead and those auto-maintenance features means it's built for longer runs. You're not going to be constantly pausing to unclog or clean it manually, which is often the pain point with cheaper DTF printers. Overall, the A4 L8058 DTF printer bundle is a solid pick for anyone who's serious about custom apparel printing. Whether you're experimenting at home with DIY projects or you're launching your own merch line, this bundle pretty much gives you all the tools you need in one package. You're not just buying a printer, you're buying a complete system that handles printing, powdering, drying, and prepping for transfer. So if you're interested in checking it out, or maybe even grabbing one for yourself, I'll leave a link for you right down in the description.